Namaste children, welcome again to block number 19, Sexual Reproduction in Plants. In our previous video, we have learned about the various common parts of the flower, and we have learned the first stage of sexual reproduction, that is the process of pollination. Types of pollination means cross and self-pollination, and their advantages and disadvantages. Today we are going to start with the second stage of sexual reproduction, that is the process of fertilization, the formation of fruit as well as the seed. So let's begin with our LP2, the process of fertilization. After the process of pollination, when the pollen grain sticks on the stigma, the pollen grain starts developing pollen tube. This pollen tube passes the style, enters into the ovary and passes into the ovule. This pollen tube carries the male gamete, that is the pollen grain, along with it. As soon as the pollen grain enters into the ovule, it fuses with the female gamete, that is the egg, and forms the zygote. This process is known as fertilization. When the male gamete, the process in which the male and female gamete fuses, that process is known as fertilization. And the male and the female gamete fuses, that forms the zygote. So let's check it out, the outline, steps and diagrams of plant from pollination to fertilization. Pollen grain land on the stigma, that is the process of pollination. When the pollen grain sticks on the stigma, the pollen tube grows down the style, followed by male sperm nuclei. As soon as the pollen grain develops the pollen tube, it carries along with it the male gamete, that is the pollen grain. The sperm nuclei fuses with the female ovules. As soon as the pollen tube passes through the ovary, enters into the ovule, the male gamete and the female gamete fuses and forms zygote. The ovules develop into the seed and the ovary develops into fruit. This is the full process of fertilization. Now let's check it out. What are the changes occur in flower after fertilization? Ovary develops into fruit and ovule develops into fruit. After the process of formation of zygote, outer parts of the flower, means the petals, male reproductive part, female reproductive part, means the stamen as well as the pistil, they all dry up and shed it off. And the process of formation of seed and the fruit starts developing. Now let's check it out, some common steps, some main steps which occur after the process of fertilization. The zygote develops into the embryo. Embryo is the baby plant which is present inside the seed. The ovule develop into the seed. After the process of fertilization, the ovules start developing into seed. The ovule forms a hard protective covering which encloses embryo. As previously also I have told you, embryo is the small baby plant which is present inside the seed. The ovary swells and convert into juicy and fleshy fruit. The remaining parts of the flower, means the petals, stamen, pistil, dry up and fell off. This is the full process of fertilization and the formation of seed. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. Thank you.